Alright, so here we got a few air conditioners and heat pumps. Here we have a Ducane, an American Standard Silver Series, a Lennox Merit, and a Carrier CKC or YCC or BRC or AYC, whatever. Here's a Ducane. It's a big fat one. It's got a Copeland scroll. It's also a heat pump. I could have caught that one this winter. Could just barely make it out. I don't know if you can read it, but I can. 2008, 3 ton. Wow, that is so hard to read. Motors, I don't even know what that is. This one is newer, because it looks newer. There's the logo. And it's got a Gentech motor. It's also got the Ninja nice looking fan blades. It's 2021, 4 ton. A Lennox scroll compressor, 14 to 15 SEER, has not been running. There's a reversing valve. Here's a Lennox Merit heat pump. It's also got a Copeland Emerson scroll compressor. Not been running. 2011, 3 ton. It's Carrier CKC or YCC heat pump, and it has a Millennium scroll compressor. And there's the stuff. I can't really get back to it. You're gonna have to tell me what this stuff says, because I can't. All right. Well. Anyways, I guess over and out. Thanks for watching.